Hello friends, welcome my class. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Unit 1.1, A Time to Believe. That is our first poem from Maharashtra State Board textbook Standard 8. Before we begin with this poem, I want to request all my viewers and all my dear students to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you. So let's begin with the first poem, Time to Believe. Here the girl is showing. The girl is showing this poem, Time to Believe, and it is written by B.J. Morbitzer. See the cool climate of our Standard 8. Here the river is flowing on that mountainous area surrounded by the mountains. The birds are chirping, and we have to believe that this is the time where we can be happy with this poem. This is your favorite teacher, Mr. Deepak sir, who is going to explain this poem. But friends, have you heard about this poem? No? A Time to Believe? Oh, it's okay. We will explain. And what about the poet B.J. Morbitzer? You don't know about Mr. B.J. Morbitzer? Okay. I am with you. I can explain. So B.J. Morbitzer. See, the girl is showing you who is Mr. B.J. Morbitzer. His true name is Robert Joe Morbitzer. Robert Joe Morbitzer. Nickname B.J. Morbitzer. He is a contemporary poet. Currently he is residing in Grove City. That is in Ohio. Ohio mein hai ye city. He went to Grove City High School in 1960 and studied the American history and creative writing at Ohio University in 1967. He was a former Army Ranger OPS in North California. He has written many poems, and moreover he has been a part of TV programs and films also. So a very big salute to Mr. B.J. Morbitzer. He is having a versatile personality. He is a former Army Ranger as well as a poet and as well as he is an actor. So देखते हैं बेटा उसने कौन सा मस्त से पोएम आपको दिया है यहाँ पे. The poem is very interesting, A Time to Believe. तो बेटा सुनते ही है पहला पोएम. Time to believe. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and the dreams really do come true. To believe is to see the angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of the stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of nurturing the heart and the innocence of a child's eyes and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that is the gift, and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and that all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. So this is what about the poem. This poem is written in free verse. At the end of every line you will not get any rhyming words like Sita, Mita, Gita at the end of the lines. So there is no rhyme scheme bachcha. है ना? Hence it is a free verse poem. The poem has 4 lines in each stanza except in last stanza because it has 5 line stanza. And the tone of this poem is throat provoking. एंड सीरियस एंड मोटिवेशनल पोएम है ये बेटा. तो ये पोएम आपको स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, ये व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस पोएम. द स्ट्रक्चर इज वेरी सिंपल. 4 लाइन्स का एक एक स्टांजा है, लास्ट स्टांजा 5 लाइन्स का है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग एंड मोटिवेशनल poem. The poem A Time to Believe, a poem Time to Believe, is an optimistic poem that tells us what it means to believe. हमें क्या बिलीव करना चाहिए ये आपको सिखाता है. The poet B.J. Morbitzer uses everyday images to convey the message of positivity which would appeal to all who wish to realize their dreams. The poet defines believing as knowing that each day is the new and the full of promise that miracles would happen and dreams would come true. He continues by saying that believing means accepting. Believing means accepting that the impossible things will eventually come to pass and trusting in the palms of the Creator. To believe, he says, is realizing the value of caring heart. That means you should realize the value of your parents and elders, the innocence of a child's eyes, the beauty of experience, as it is through this that one learns to love others selflessly. At the end you will realize that you should love others selflessly. To believe also means that one must realize that there is a power which lies within each one of us, which teaches us to pick up the fallen pieces of our life and rebuild it yet again. The poet adds that to believe is to realize that life is a gift and we are never alone. We have so many relatives, we have our elderly persons with us, we have friends, so we are never alone. He concludes the poem on a note of positivity by saying that to believe means waiting patiently in the hope that the wonderful surprises will definitely come our way as our hopes, our dreams will be finally achieved. But the only condition for this, if we believe, हमें विश्वास करना पड़ेगा, है ना. तो this is what I can say, a short summary of this poem what we are going to learn. So the first stanza of 4 lines, to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. है ना, क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे? What the poet here explaining us? The poet is explaining the very simple term. The poet begins by saying that to believe is to know. To believe is to know that every day is a new day and with a new beginning. It means to trust that miracles do happen and dreams do come true. The poet begins by explaining to us that we should believe that every day is a new beginning and we should forget whatever happened yesterday. The sunrise of a new day brings new hope to you. He further states that we must trust and surrender to our fate and believe that miracles will surely happen, and therefore all our dreams, all our wishes and all our aspirations will come true. Bacha party. Next stanza, to believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of the stardust sky and wisdom of the man in the moon. Wow, what a beautiful lines written by B.J. Morbitzer. What he is explaining to us? He is explaining that to believe is to see the angels. आप angels को देखो, कहाँ पे angels को देखेंगे dancing among the clouds. Clouds में angel को देखना, और वो भी dancing करते. It is to know the beauty and the magical quality of the sky, filled with the stars, and to accept the wisdom of the man in the moon. What the poet is simply explaining us. The poet here in the second stanza explaining us very simple tone that to believe is to see the angels dancing among the clouds. It is to know the beauty, it is to know the magical power of the sky, that magical power is filled by the stars and to accept the wisdom of a man in the moon. Have you ever seen the moon, beta? Moon में एक बंदा बैठा है पेड़ के नीचे. And the people used to say that that person is a wise person who is sitting under a tree on the face of the moon. So beta आप देखोगे moon को ध्यान से तो you will come to know. So in short, overall here the poet takes us to an imaginary world and says that to believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. When we look at the sky now, we are always fascinated by the day sky as well as by the night sky. During the day, we see the patterns among the clouds, different shapes हम लोग देखते हैं. So the poet leads us to imagine that there are angels dancing among the clouds and they are making the shape of the clouds. In other words, the poet wants us to forget all our worries, all our anxiety and be happy like a dancing angels. बेटा एक प्रोवर्ब सुना है क्या आप लोगों ने? प्रोवर्ब that every cloud has a silver line. So the proverb that comes to our mind is every cloud has a silver line. It means behind every cloud, behind every problem, there is a silver lining. That means there is a happy moment after a problem. Getting? So angel and cloud, this is the metaphor. Angel क्या बता रहा है बेटा? हैप्पी डेज के लिए, हैप्पी मोमेंट का मेटाफर है. एंड द क्लाउड्स, द डार्क क्लाउड इंडिकेट्स द प्रॉब्लम्स. सो प्रॉब्लम्स देखोगे तो उसमें अच्छा खासा आपको क्या दिखेगा? यू विल कम टू नो द हैप्पी मोमेंट, है ना? हैप्पी मोमेंट इज देयर इन द डार्क क्लाउड्स. यू हैव टू फाइंड इट, आपको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द एडवाइस गिवन बाय बीजे मॉर्बिट्जर. बेटा ही ऑल्सो टेल्स अस, हाँ ये याद रखो, एक बात और बता रहा है यहाँ पे. ही ऑल्सो टेल्स अस दैट जस्ट लाइक द नाइट स्काई that is full of stars, that looks magical as if someone has sprinkled dust of shining stars. ऐसा लग रहा है मिरेकल, जादू, ऐसा है ना? कैसा जादू? Like you can say someone has sprinkled dust of shining stars. ऐसा क्या बोलेंगे? अक्षत बोलते हैं ना, कुमकुम अक्षत ऐसे छिड़के लाइक स्टार्स के. So also we must believe that our life will have a magical turn and all our problems, all our disaster of the life, all our difficulties will change into the happy moments. That is the message given by the clouds and the stars. The poet also mentions about the wisdom of a man in the moon. Man in the moon. When we look at the moon, we sometimes see an image of a person. There are बच्चा पार्टी numerous traditional stories woven behind this, and one of them is that there is a wise old man sitting in the moon. So the poet wants us to imagine us to be wise like that old man. Believe that everything will be all right at the end. End में सब all right होता है, end में सब ठीक होता है, ये समझने का कोशिश करो. देख लो ये यहाँ पे. He also tells us that just like the night sky that is full of stars that looks magical as if someone has sprinkled the dust of shining stars, so also we must believe that our life will have a magical turn and all our problems will change to happy moments. The poet also mentions about the wisdom of a man in the moon. When we look at the moon, we sometimes see an image of a person. There are numerous traditional stories woven behind this, and one of them is that there is a wise old man sitting in the moon under a tree. So the poet wants us to imagine us to be wise like that old man in the moon and believe that everything will be all right at the end. So the next stanza, to believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. Wow. It's a very beautiful lines. Here the poet wants to indicate his fingers towards the three person. Number one is nurturing heart. That means caring heart. That means your elderly persons or your parents, your teachers, है ना, उनका value करो. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. Those who are taking care of you is your beloved one, and you have to value them. Secondly, the innocence of child's eyes. इनोसेंस ऑफ चाइल्ड आइज, एक बच्चे की आंख में बेटा इनोसेंस दिखता है, उसका भी केयर करो, उसका भी वैल्यू करो. एंड द थर्ड वन, लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ एन एजिंग हैंड. एजिंग हैंड, दैट मीन्स द एल्डरली पर्सन्स, योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. बेटा ये ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का भी आपको वैल्यू करना है. क्यों? बिकॉज थ्रू देयर टीचिंग्स यू लर्न हाउ टू लव एंड व्हेन टू लव एंड व्हाट टू लव. ये आपको सिखाता है ज़िंदगी से कैसे प्यार करना, ये आपके दादा दादी सिखाते हैं. सो बेटा, वैल्यू योर पेरेंट्स, सी द इनोसेंस ऑफ चाइल्ड्स आइज, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दैट यू मस्ट केयर योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बिकॉज they teach you to love. So this is a very beautiful stanza given by this poet B.J. Morbitzer. Again I am reading the stanza because I like this stanza. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. So what the poet is saying here? The poet is saying that to believe is to know the value of someone. To believe is to know the value of someone who nurtures us, who looks after us. It is to recognize the innocence in a child's eyes and to acknowledge the beauty of a person who is growing old. It is through the teachings of these old people that we learn to love. ये बेटा एजेड पर्सन ही हमें सिखाते हैं. वी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस एल्डरली पर्सन्स टू लव. नर्चरिंग का मीनिंग क्या होता है बच्चा? नर्चरिंग मीन्स कैरिंग. नर्चरिंग मीन्स कैरिंग. सो द पीपल हु नर्चर्स अस, द पीपल हु केयर्स अस आर अवर पेरेंट्स, आर अवर टीचर्स, आर अवर गार्डियंस. The poet tells us that we should believe them and we should value everything that they tell us. जो भी अपने elderly persons बोलेंगे हमको उसके ऊपर विश्वास करना पड़ेगा. Value everything that elderly people tell us because it is through their love and their tremendous vast experience that they give us their advice. बेटा हमसे बहुत बहुत उम्र में बड़े होते हैं दैट एल्डरली पर्सन्स. उनका एक्सपीरियंस हमें सिखाता है हाउ टू लिव अवर लाइफ. जस्ट लाइक द लिटिल चाइल्ड इज सो इनोसेंट दैट इट बिलीव्स एवरीथिंग दैट इज टोल्ड विदाउट रेजिंग एनी क्वेश्चंस. है ना बेटा? छोटा बच्चा कैसे अपने मम्मी की बात सुनता है ना? कैसा इनोसेंट होता है. वॉट एवर ही और शी इज टोल्ड बाय हीज और हर पेरेंट्स ना, he or she immediately follows that things without raising any questions. है ना बेटा? बस हम लोग को भी elderly persons को ऐसे ही सुनना है. So also we just surrender ourselves to our elders. हमको क्या करना है? हमको हमारे को सरेंडर कर देना है elderly persons के पास में. Don't raise any questions. है कुछ सवाल मत उठाओ पेरेंट्स के और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के सामने. The poet also mentions about, so don't raise any questions. Okay. Nurturing means caring. So the people who nurtures us are our parents, teachers and guardians. The poet tells us that we should believe and value everything that they tell us because it is through their love, it is through their vast experience that they gave us their advice to us. Just like the little child is so innocent that it believes everything that is told without raising any questions, so also we just surrender ourselves to our elderly persons. The poet also mentions about the beauty in the aging hands. Aging hands, that is growing hands. That is your grandparents. Grandparents के हाथ में भी बेटा खूबसूरती है. He also wants us to say the old people are so beautiful. that they are so caring, they are so loving. बेटा इंसिडेंस याद करो ना वो कोई भी आपके लाइफ का कि मम्मी डैडी चिल्ला रहे हैं और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स दादा दादी नाना नानी कोई तो भी घर में है, फिर वो बोलते हैं चिल्ला मत मेरे सामने, खबरदार जो बच्चे को हाथ लगाया तो. सो इन दिस वे योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर कैरिंग, योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर लविंग. They have abundant store of knowledge with them. They have abundant store of wisdom. बहुत उनमें बुद्धिमत्ता होती है, स्किल होता है, नॉलेज होता है, बिकॉज दे हैड अ ट्रिमेंडस एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द लाइफ विच दे हैव एक्वायर्ड थ्रू द ईयर्स ऑफ हार्ड वर्क एंड टॉयल. एंड सो वी शुड लिसन टू देम, इजंट इट? हमें उनको सुनना चाहिए कि नहीं ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को? बिकॉज थ्रू देयर टीचिंग्स, थ्रू देयर एडवाइस वी कैन लर्न टू लव वन अनदर. तो बेटा ये लेसन ज़िंदगी में याद रखना कि पेरेंट्स का वैल्यू करो और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का केयर करो. टू बिलीव, नेक्स्ट आंसर, टू बिलीव इज टू फाइंड द स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज दैट लाइज विद इन अस. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Wow, what a fantastic line. To believe means to know and find the strength and courage that is within us. बेटा आप में क्या ताकत है, आप में क्या स्ट्रेंथ है ना, वो आपको ढूंढना है. To believe means to know and find the strength and courage that is within us all, especially when it is time to get over a shock or a disaster. Whenever there is a disaster in your life, whenever you become the failure, आप कहीं पे अनसक्सेसफुल हो रहे हो, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि now my life is end, the chapter is over. बट डोंट थिंक सो. हाँ, सोचो मत कि अभी मुझे मर जाना है या मेरा चैप्टर ख़त्म हो गया, मेरा लाइफ ख़त्म हो गया. डोंट थिंक सो, बिकॉज यू हैव योर इनर कैपेसिटी, यू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ, यू हैव द करेज. So beta, BJ Morbitzer here advising us that when it is time to get over a shock or a disaster and return to your normal life once again, you have to believe in your courage, in your strength. The poet tells us that to believe means to find the strength. Here to believe means to find the strength, to find the courage, to find the motivation, to find the inspiration that is present in each one of us. Don't think कि मेरे में ताकत नहीं है. I have my strength, I have my courage. बस मुझे ढूंढना है. It means that we all are brave, all are courageous, and all are strong. We all are manful. We don't require any outside help. बेटा एक स्टोरी है. जब लंका पार सीता जी को ढूंढने को जाने का था, सारे बंदर और वो समंदर के किनारे बैठे थे. लेकिन उस टाइम पे हनुमान जी के अंदर वो ताकत था, ये स्ट्रेंथ था, करेज था, वो उसको मालूम नहीं था. लेकिन फिर आया उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दुलाहा, तू खड़ा हो, तू ही कर सकता है. तो बेटा इतना समंदर भी लांघ सकते हैं हम लोग. जलधि लांघ गयो अचरज नाही, ये आप भी कर सकते हो. आप भी आपके सोरोज, आपके ग्रीफ, आपके दुख को टेक ओवर कर सकते हो. वी कैन ड्रॉ द स्ट्रेंथ फ्रॉम विद इन अस, नॉट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड हेल्प. आपके अंदर वो ताकत है, आप विश्वास करो. टू बिलीव हियर मीन्स टू नो एंड फाइंड. ओके, द पोएम इज वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, वेरी पॉजिटिव. द पोएट ऑल्सो स्टेट्स दैट वेन एवर वी मे फॉल, ना जब हम गिर जाएंगे, फेल्यूर हो जाएंगे, दैट इज वेन एवर वी मे एनकाउंटर द फेल्यूर, ना जब भी हमारा सामना होगा. एनकाउंटरिंग दैट इज हम लोग सामने आएंगे जब फेल्यूर के. वी मस्ट जस्ट डस्ट अवर सेल्स, हमको ही खुद डस्ट करना पड़ेगा, झपट देना पड़ेगा. एंड गेट अप एंड कंटिन्यू अवर नॉर्मल लाइफ. वी शुड नॉट लूज होप बट बिगिन ऑल ओवर अगेन. बेटा एक प्रोवर्ब सुना है, ट्राई ट्राई बट डोंट क्राई, ट्राई ट्राई टिल यू सक्सीड. बेटा यही बात आता है, कोई आपके लिए ट्राई नहीं करेगा, आपको अपना ट्राई आपके लिए ही करना है. सो हियर द पोएट इंडिकेट्स दैट वेन एवर देयर इज अ डिजास्टर इन योर लाइफ ना, and or in other word I can say whenever you are facing the failure in unsuccessfulness in your life, you are the right person to get up from that problem. Okay, ठीक है. So it's a very interesting line. Next stanza. To believe is to know we are never alone. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. Beta, what the poet is saying here, to believe means to know that we are never alone. We have our friends, we have our parents, we have our elderly persons, we have our grandparents. Everyone is with us. और लाइफ तो बेटा एक भगवान का दिया हुआ गिफ्ट है. चलो मैंने आपको बर्थडे प्रेजेंट दिया है कुछ तो भी, या आपके पापा ने दिया है, या आपके मम्मा ने आपको एक बर्थडे गिफ्ट दिया है. दैट गिफ्ट इज द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल थिंग इन योर लाइफ बिकॉज इट इज़ गिवन बाय योर बिलीव्ड वन. आपके प्यारे कोई तो भी रिलेटिव ने आपको वो गिफ्ट दिया है, आप संभाल के रखते हो. सबसे प्यारा कौन है? सबसे प्यारा गॉड है. गॉड ने अच्छा खासा गिफ्ट दिया है, मस्त से आपको लाइफ दिया है, तो बेटा उसको भी स्पॉइल नहीं करना चाहिए ना, उसको भी संभाल के रखना चाहिए. सो हियर टू बिलीव मीन्स टू नो दैट वी आर नेवर अलोन. हम लोग अकेले नहीं हैं. दैट लाइफ इज़ अ गिफ्ट एंड दैट वी मस्ट वैल्यू एंड प्रोटेक्ट आवर लाइफ. नहीं तो फिर बेटा मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे बच्चे फेल्यूर आया ना तो सुसाइड करते हैं. डोंट take that path. The poet continues explaining that to believe is to know that we are never alone. Whenever we encounter our failure, we may want to know why did it happen to me. मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ? फेल्यूर हो जाते ना, the people always ऐसा स्ट्रेस महसूस करते हैं कि मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, दूसरों के साथ क्यों नहीं हुआ. लेकिन याद रखो बेटा, भगवान दुख उसी को देता है जिसको मालूम होता है भगवान को कि इतना बड़ा कैपेसिटी किसके पास है, उसको ही बड़ा दुख देते हैं ना, आलतू फालतू को नहीं देते हैं. सो बड़ा दुख आया तो इट इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग ऑफ गॉड, ऐसा समझने का. बिहाइंड एवरी ह्यूज माउंटेन देयर इज़ अ सनराइज. याद रखो, ये बड़े माउंटेन के पीछे एक सनराइज होता है. दैट मीन्स हैप्पी एंडिंग होता है लाइफ में, दुख से घबराने का नहीं. राही मनवा दुख की चिंता क्यों सताती है, दुख तो अपना साथी है. So what the poet is saying here, the poet tells us to remember that we are not alone, that facing a problem. हम अकेले नहीं है प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे. अरे भाई भगवान राम को भी प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ा था, हम क्या है? We are not the only person in this world who is facing this problem. There are many people like us who have not been successful in their life. Failure, always remember, failure is the stepping stone to success. So face it and get success of it. He also tells us that our life does not belong to us. ये जिंदगी हमारी नहीं है बेटा, but it is a gift from God. So we do not have any right to spoil it. We do not have any right over it. Since it is a gift given to us, we should cherish it and take the good care of it. So for like a gift we receive, जैसे हम लोग को दूसरा गिफ्ट मिलता है, हम लोग को कैसा संभाल के रखते हैं. Our life is also a gift given with love from our great father, that is God. God से मिला हुआ गिफ्ट है. Don't spoil it बच्चा. Next stanza, to believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen in your life. है ना, एक बेटा एक सरप्राइज आपके लिए खड़ा है. एक बड़ा सा लॉटरी लगेगा, एक बड़ा सा आपको समझो गोल्ड मेडल मिलेगा एजुकेशन में. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes, all our dreams are within our reach. ये बस हाथ थोड़ा और आगे करो and you will get. But the only requirement is if only we believe. आपको विश्वास करना पड़ेगा भगवान के ऊपर और आपके स्ट्रेंथ एंड कैपेसिटी के ऊपर. सो बेटा फाइनली द पोएट इन द लास्ट stanza says that to believe means to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen in your life. आ रहे आपके लाइफ में अच्छे खासे मौके आ रहे हैं. And all our hopes, all our dreams are within our reach. हमारे बस हाथ फैला दो, आ गए आपके हाथ में सक्सेस. And all we must do is have a positive approach towards our life and believe in ourselves. खुद पे भरोसा है ना. इन द सिक्स्थ एंड फाइनल स्टांजा था ना बेटा, ये पोएट क्या बोलते हैं, पोएट मोर्बित्जर टेल्स अस that we should believe that wonderful surprises are waiting around the corner. Waiting around the corner, आपके आसपास ही घूम रहे हैं, बस आपको मिलने वाले हैं. We know that life is full of surprises. हाँ, बार बार आपको सरप्राइज मिलता है. Nobody knows what awaits us next. आगे क्या होगा किसी को पता नहीं है. दैट इज़ अ सरप्राइज. अच्छी बात का भी सरप्राइज होता है और बुरे कोई न्यूज़ आते तो वो भी सरप्राइज होता है. एंड दैट सरप्राइजेस जो है ना बेटा आर राउंड द कॉर्नर, आर वेटिंग राउंड द कॉर्नर. They are waiting for you. So the poet tells us that all our hopes, all our dreams, all our wishes and all our desires will surely come true. He leaves us with a thoughtful note in the last line. ये पोएम ख़त्म करने के टाइम पे एट द एंड एक आपके लिए सोचने वाला एक मस्त से स्टेटमेंट देके जा रहा है पोएट. इफ़ ओनली वी बिलीव, यदि आपको भरोसा है तो ही, इफ़ ओनली वी बिलीव, that is to say that we should have the strong willpower to believe in our dreams. Only then will our wishes manifest and come true. Beta, some difficult words are there in this poem. Hardly 4 to 5 difficult words. Stardust, that means having a magical quality. A magical, there is a space between a and magical. Try to understand. Nurturing, providing nourishment, care and protection. Aging, that is growing old. Pick up the pieces means return to normal after normal life, after a shock or a disaster. Cherish, that is hold something as very clear and of great value. Within reach, that means possible to achieve. Beta, here I want to ask you some question. Why these lines are there in this poem? Okay, so the question is very simple. Say why. Why? Number one, the sky has a magical quality. Why the sky has a magical quality? My first question. Why the sky has a magical quality? Think on it. Yes. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4. No? Yes. Because there are angels dancing among the clouds. Why the sky has magical quality? Because angels है clouds में. Because परियाँ हैं, परी ऐसे हाथ में वो छड़ी लेके जादुई परी है उसके पास में. Because there are angels dancing among the clouds. There is a stardust and a wise man sitting in the moon also. एक अच्छा खासा wise man बैठा है moon में. That's why the sky has a magical quality. Got it? Okay, second question. तो ये रहा आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर दूसरा सवाल. Even an aging hand has a beauty. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेगा, फोन ऑफ फ्रेंड भी नहीं मिलेगा. Even an aging hand has beauty. बूढ़े लोगों के हाथ में खूबसूरती होती है. क्यों? Because they have abundant store of knowledge, they have abundant store of wisdom which they have acquired through the years of hard work and toil. They are so beautiful because they teach us to love. इतने खूबसूरत क्यों है? क्योंकि वो हमें प्यार करना सिखाते हैं. To love our life, to love our parents. ये रहा 1 करोड़ का तीसरा सवाल. We should believe that we are strong and courageous. Why? Why we should believe that we are strong and we are courageous? फालतू आंसर. Because all have the inbuilt qualities of love, compassion, courage, strength, and whenever things go wrong with you na, these qualities, these magical qualities will help us to pick up the pieces and begin again our life. We can start our life again with these qualities of love, compassion, courage, है ना? Yes beta, make a list of any 4 things that the poet wants us to accept. 4 चीज़ें ऐसी बताओ जैसे पोएट आपको समझाना चाहता है, स्ट्रेस करता है पोएट आपको. Yes, the things are: number 1, that every day is a new beginning, that miracles happen. हर एक नई सुबह आपका एक नया न्यूज़ लेकर आएगी, एक न्यू ओपनिंग रहेगा. सेकेंड, आपके लाइफ में भी चमत्कार होगा. दैट मिरेकल्स हैपन, दैट ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू, एंड दैट देयर आर एंजल्स डांसिंग अमंग द क्लाउड्स. ना बेटा लिटरेरी डिवाइस देखेंगे हम लोग, पोएटिक डिवाइस देखेंगे। पहला बेटा मैंने एक लाइन, मेरा बहुत ही फेवरेट लाइन है, टू बिलीव इज टू सी द एंजल्स डांसिंग अमंग द क्लाउड्स। बेटा एंजल्स और क्लाउड्स में डांस करना, डांसिंग इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। द अबव लाइन कंटेन्स अ ह्यूमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स डांसिंग गिवन टू समथिंग नॉन ह्यूमन। एंजल ह्यूमंस नहीं होते, उसको क्वालिटी दिया ह्यूमंस का। सो द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यूज्ड इन दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड पर्सोनिफिकेशन। दिस इज पर्सोनिफिकेशन, ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज गिवन टू नॉन ह्यूमन थिंग्स। To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. To believe is to know life is a gift. These lines in poetry such as the above state a general truth. ये general truth है ना, and can be used as saying or a quote or a proverb. ऐसा proverb के जैसा आप उसको use कर सकते हो, that every day is a new beginning. You can expand this theme, you can expand this sentence on your own. These proverb-like statement is known as epigram in this figure of speech. They contain the figure of speech called epigram. Epigram closely resembles a proverb. उसे मिलता जुलता होता है। बेटा poem है ना, poem टाइम टू बिलीव, अ टाइम टू बिलीव, वो पूरा आपको एपिग्राम से मिलेगा। देखोगे अदर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एपिग्राम इन योर पोएम is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. आपके सपने पूरे होंगे, ये भी प्रोवर्ब होगा ना। To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. The third one, the innocence of a child's eyes and beauty of an aging hand. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. To believe is to know we are never alone. हम अकेले नहीं हैं, हम साथ साथ हैं. So to believe is to know we are never alone. That life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. And all our hopes, all our dreams are within our reach. Other figures of speech is also there. Personification. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, human qualities given to the non-human things. Epigram, proverb statement और quoting है यहाँ पे. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Repetition, the wisdom of a man in the moon. Alliteration is to trust that miracles happen. Alliteration is to trust that miracles happen. T का देखो repetition हो रहा है, sound T is repeating. To में T, trust T, that में tree. Metaphor, that life is a gift. Direct, indirectly comparison of life and a gift. Imagery आपके सामने वो आता है कि मैंने बोला कि clouds में angels dance कर रहे हैं, तो बेटा इमीडिएटली कोई कोई को ऐसा दिखेगा क्लाउड्स में परियां डांस कर रही है. सो दिस इज इमेजरी. टू बिलीव इज टू सी द एंजल्स डांसिंग अमंग द क्लाउड्स. सम क्वेश्चंस आर देयर इन माय माइंड. व्हाट शुड वन नो एंड ट्रस्ट एवरी डे? बताओ मुझे, व्हाट शुड यू नो एंड ट्रस्ट एवरी डे? Yes, you are right, बच्चा. One should know and trust that every day is a new beginning, that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. Correct. आपको मिल गए 5 out of 5. Second question, what are the two supernatural references in the second stanza? Supernatural references क्या है? Yes, that girl is right. The two supernatural references in the second stanza are the angels and the man in the moon. The wise man in the moon. दो बंदे आपके पास supernatural, एक परी है और एक चांद में बैठा हुआ वो इंसान है. Wise man in the moon. Third question, what two qualities are needed to recover after a shocking event? After a shocking disaster. दो चीज़ क्या चाहिए डिजास्टर से बाहर निकलने के लिए, दुख में से बाहर निकलने के लिए? एंड द टू थिंग्स आर स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज. स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज आर द टू क्वालिटीज दैट आर नीडेड आफ्टर द शॉकिंग इवेंट. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. What kind of attitude does the poet advise everybody to have? कैसा attitude चाहिए बेटा? ये poem से क्या सीखा आपने? In the poem A Time to Believe, B.J. Morbitzer advises us to have optimistic attitude, positive attitude, and tells us that every day is a new beginning and miracles do happen in your life. वेट करो, मिरेकल्स आने वाले हैं. मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे नहीं, मेरा मिरेकल आएगा मेरे लाइफ में. बेटा, माय सिंपल क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ दिस पोएम? The main theme of this poem, na, Time to Believe is the poem, na, is to have faith and believe in ourselves. It is an inspirational and motivational poem which tells us to always be positive and that we can achieve all our hopes, all our dreams with faith and self-belief. This is the theme. ये life में याद रखो. This is you have to remember in your life. Thank you for watching my video. And beta, don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you once again. मिलते हैं बच्चा पार्टी. Goodbye.